You're welcome to this channel. Today we'll be making this Nigerian Agidi. So these are the ingredients that you need. You need firstly your ogi or your pap. That is just white corn or maize that is being processed and fermented, so you get the starch. So you need coconut. You also need your biscuit bone stock, or you use goat meat. You can see my stock is already inside this biscuit bone. You can use biscuit bone, you can use beef, you can use goat meat. You need this leaf. This leaf gives your agidi or ogidi the flavor that it needs. Some people call it ogidi, some people call it agidi. So it depends on how you want to call it. You also need your fresh pepper. You need seasoning cube. You need onions. You can season your beef or your biscuit bone with your onion. You need salt. So we'll move ahead to washing our coconut first so we can blend it. Then you're going to be breaking up your pap, that is your ogi, like this. You have to break it and blend it very well so that there will be no lump when you're turning it with water. After blending and breaking it, this is what it looks like. So just add up your water. Don't add a lot of water because you need water later if the agidi is too thick. For now, just put the water that you'll be able to blend and mix your pap well with the water. So this is me just turning it, and this is what it looks like. It's beginning to blend very well, and as you can see, there's no lump. I use this spoon to check whether I'll find any lump, and trust me, there's no lump. Then move ahead to washing your leaf. Before you wash your leaf, make sure you cut these sticks so that when you're folding this leaf, it will fold well. So just cut up the long sticks with your knife like this. Wash this leaf well, because some of them, when they harvest this leaf, they don't get to wash it very well. So you have to wash it well at home, so to avoid sand or stones or other dead leaves on this particular leaf. Click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. If you don't like your onions visible, just add it to your meat stock while cooking. Then after washing, just go ahead to put the leaf on your gas or your fire a little bit so the leaf could fold. Then move ahead to putting your stock with your meat inside your pot, this particular pot that you want to mix your agidi in. Turn in your coconut water into your pot that you already put your stock, and then make sure that the water in your coconut will be able to go around. Check the amount of agidi you want to make so that you know the amount of coconut you will use. If the agidi you want to make is much, use 2 to 3 coconuts. So this is me just putting my coconut water and try to filter it into the pot I'm going to make my agidi. I noticed that the water wasn't much. I had to use the leftover of the coconut shaft, put in a little more water and squeeze it or filter it into my pot. I just added my already blended pepper, salt, then seasoning cube, then my onion. I'm just going to mix it till everything blends. Just turn it with my spoon until everything mix. While I'm turning, I'll also test if everything is okay. This is me turning in my pap, that is the one you've already mixed. Then I'll turn everything. You can see the biscuit bone, the fat in it is already all around the pot of agidi. Using your turning stick to turn it. That's after you've already put it on fire. I've placed my agidi on fire. I'm turning it. You can see everything is beginning to form. Yeah, everything is beginning to form well. I used the biscuit bone so I could get the fat from it. You can use goat meat, a nice goat meat that can give you a good flavor. This is it. You can already see the part that is forming. You've seen the part that isn't formed yet is still white. I'm just going to add some water because I noticed that agidi was thick. So I'm just going to add some water and I'll keep turning. That's why I said keep water by your side. You don't need to add lots of water when you're mixing your pap, so that when you want to make the agidi, it will not be too watery. So it's better this way. You add some water later, and this is the final result. Agidi is done. So we'll move ahead to putting it inside this leaf. This leaf gives a flavor to agidi. Some people use nylon or plastic or something, but trust me, this leaf gives your agidi its desired taste. So we'll just be putting it bit by bit into this leaf. Just fold your leaf like the way you fold your leaf when you're making your moi moi, and then just put the agidi inside. One scoop is enough, so you will be able to fold it very well without any error. One thing to do is don't bring your agidi down from fire. Just reduce your fire or your gas to the lowest level so that your agidi doesn't get cold before you put it inside this leaf, because the longer it stays down, the thicker it becomes. So place your agidi on fire while scooping it into your leaf like this, then fold it back. I repeated the process, scooping my agidi inside the leaf, then folding it back. If you haven't subscribed to my channel at this point, kindly click the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel and help me grow. This agidi is so delicious, you need to try it. Place your agidi on fire. You can see the agidi is on fire, that's why it's still looking hot and not too thick. If you keep it down or off your gas, your agidi will become thicker and stronger before even putting it inside the lid. So this is how you fold it neatly, and it brings out that shape in it. Just repeat the process of folding your agidi till you're done with the amounts that you made, and this is the final look. This is agidi all folded and nice. This agidi was so delicious, guys. You need to try it. Try this as an appetizer, try it as a food. This agidi is so yummy and satisfying. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, kindly click that subscribe button. Don't miss out on my channel.